Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be teaching you today on how you could change your card details on Temu. So number one, open the Temu app. Launch the Temu app on your smartphone. Number two, log in. Sign into your account with your login details for your Temu account. Number three, access settings. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the home screen and select settings. Number four, navigate to payment methods. Scroll down and tap on your payment methods. Number five, add a new card. Click on add a credit or debit card. Enter your new card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Number six, save the new card. Tap add your card to save the new card information. Number seven, remove the old card. To remove the old card, go back to your payment methods, select the old card, and tap remove or delete card. So that's how to change your credit card details on Temu. Thank you for watching.